Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. Today in the session we will understand the job profile of the assistant manager in Exim. We will try to understand what are the requirement and key responsibility for this assistant manager job. So they require at least 4 to 5 year experience. Okay, the person who have experience in import export as a 4 to 5 year is eligible for the job post. The second, sound knowledge of handling exim document like pre-shipment and post-shipment. Okay, so as we already discussed in previous session, what is the pre-shipment document and what is the post-shipment document? The pre-shipment document is the document which we submit to the custom for the custom clearance purpose. Okay, a post-shipment document with the post after shipment is export from India. We need to submit the document to the bank for the payment. Okay, so these are the pre and post shipment document. Okay, then LC documents, bank LC document. So as per LC, we need to submit to the document to bank for the payment. If we are exporting shipment under the LC, then we need to prepare the set of document as per LC clause. Okay, so we need to submit this document to the bank as per LC requirement. Okay, now able to handle the custom clearance. Okay, so we know that the custom clearance is a very important uh, in the import export. So for the job post, the custom clearance need to be handled. Okay, able to handle the custom clearance. So in the custom clearance process, we need to fulfill the requirement of the custom. Okay, whatever we are importing, whatever are the exporting, as per the government rules and regulations, we need to submit the documents. So we have a good knowledge regarding that what document required for the custom clearance purpose in case of import and what document required for the custom clearance for the export. So the basic document for the import custom clearance is commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, and insurance. These are the basic documents. In the same way, the export documents are invoice, packing list, shipping bill. Okay, shipping bill is the first part, or it's prepared before the custom clearance. Okay, and after shipping bill, the for the custom clearance purpose, the document required for the custom clearance purpose. Okay, so e-way bill also we need to prepare. Okay, and the shipping bill, commercial invoice, packing list, shipping bill, insurance. Insurance is not imported at the custom level. Okay, so commercial invoice, packing list, and annexure, which is required by the custom. Okay, as per the custom format, we need to submit the annexure. So these are the basic documents. So here the company wants the person who had knowledge, the requirement of the customer, understand the requirement of customer and manage the things. The next one is the should have good communication skills, and computer knowledge like Outlook, Word, and Excel. These are the basic things which needs in every job. So good communication required. You need to talk with the international customer. Okay, and computer knowledge you need required for that. Okay, so these are the basic things which need for this job profile. Okay, now another thing which is required for the job post is ability to correspond and follow up with the bank and CHN freight forwarder. Okay, so in the case of export, we need to understand what are the document need to submit to the bank. If we are not submitting the document as per the requirement by the bank, then bank we need to follow up with the bank, and bank can send you email that the discrepancy in the documents. So you need to coordinate with and corresponding with the bank and fulfill the requirement of the bank. Okay, and also you need to contact the CHN freight forwarder. Okay, so CHA is the custom house agent. You have to handle the activity related to this custom house agent like what document required for the custom clearance purpose and freight forwarding in process. Okay, and CHA will arrange the transport from port of discharge to your factory. Okay, freight forwarder book your containers from overseas to India. So these things need to understand. Okay, so you have a good knowledge in these things. Okay, if you go to the next, then ability to track the shipment on the freight forwarder side and intimate plant accordingly. Okay, there are the you need to understand when you importing the some shipment from overseas. So you have a ability to track shipment like you need to contact with the freight forwarder where is the shipment actually, and as per the status of the real time status of the shipment, you intimate to the plant. Okay, where the goods are required. Okay, so this is the you need to understand. You have to prepare the daily status report for that. If any shipment coming from overseas, you need to maintain the record. If you are preparing the daily status report properly, then you have you can track the every shipment properly. So you can intimate the real time of the status of the shipment. Okay, now we go to the next sound knowledge. Okay, sound knowledge of the LC and LC document. Okay, so you have a good knowledge with the LC and LC documents. If you are exporting India to the country, and the buyer will have open the LC in favor of you, and you are importing if any goods, then you have to else open the LC to the supplier. Okay, so what document required for the LC opening? Okay, what kind of documents required? You need to understand. Okay, now knowledge of BOE and shipping bill file. So at the custom clearance process, the bill of entry filing process need to be understand. Shipping bill need to file. Okay, so when you're importing some goods from India, before arrival of the shipment, the seaport, you have to file a bill of entry. In the same way, in a air case, before arrival of the goods in airport, you have to file the bill of entry. So you have a good knowledge what documents required for the filing of the bill of entry. Okay, if we talk about the shipping bill, so shipping bill is the documents where we file before the exporting the goods. So at the time of exporting the goods, as per commercial US and packing list, we need to coordinate with the freight forwarder and filing the shipping bill. Okay, so we need to check out all the things which are required by the shipping bill level. Okay, now able to initiate LC and TT payment through bank online portal. Okay, you have to good knowledge that what LC and TT payment through the online portal. Okay, on the online portal, you have to submit the charges, which payment need to be done in time. All the thing need to be checked out properly. Now, able to maintain import export data and submission BOE and shipping bill to the bank upon the arrival of the shipment export of the upon the shipment arrival and export shipment payment receipt. Okay, so you need to understand in the export case, you have to complete the process of the payment related activities. The proof of export and proof of import need to submit to the bank to clear the foreign remittance entries. Okay, now must have a negotiation skill. Negotiation and email writing skill need to be done. Okay, it is very important for the job post. Now, if you go to the next, then familiar with the work and various prospective trade related work. Okay, what are the export and import and trade related activity? You have to knowledge of that. Okay, for the job post, you have to keep in mind the job for the job post. You can join the job if you have good knowledge in that. Okay, so guys, today in this session we have tried to understand the assistant manager job in Gurgaon location, where the basic key responsibility required this particular job need to be fulfilled. So you can see on the screen, these are the important basic working procedures for the any export manager. So keep in mind this job, you have good knowledge for the job. So guys, we are going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.